Have you ever wondered how technology is transforming the world around us? In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Internet of Things, IoT, technology, and exploring the latest developments that are changing the game for various industries. Get ready to discover the exciting world of connected devices and learn how they're making our lives easier and more efficient than ever before. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video on the latest developments in Internet of Things, IoT, technology. IoT technology is rapidly changing the world around us, from smart homes to connected cars and even healthcare. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends and innovations in IoT technology and discuss how they're revolutionizing various industries. Section 1, IoT technology and healthcare. Firstly, let's talk about the healthcare industry. IoT technology is transforming the way healthcare providers monitor and treat their patients. For example, wearable devices can track vital signs such as heart rate and blood pressure, and send that data to doctors in real time, allowing for early detection and prevention of diseases. Remote patient monitoring is another exciting development, where patients can be monitored and treated from the comfort of their own homes. Remote patient monitoring has become increasingly popular due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has made in-person appointments risky. Patients with chronic conditions, such as diabetes or heart disease, can use IoT-enabled devices to monitor their health at home and share the data with their healthcare providers. This not only reduces the risk of exposure to COVID-19 but also improves the quality of care by providing real-time data to doctors. Another way IoT technology is transforming healthcare is through the use of smart pills. These are pills that contain sensors that can track when and how the medication is ingested. This can help doctors monitor patient compliance with medication regimens and adjust treatment plans accordingly. For example, if a patient is not taking their medication as prescribed, doctors can follow up with them to identify and address any barriers to adherence. IoT technology is also being used to improve patient safety. For example, smart hospital beds equipped with IoT sensors can detect when patients are at risk of falling and automatically adjust the bed to prevent falls. Similarly, IoT-enabled medication dispensers can ensure that patients are receiving the correct medication and dosage at the right time, reducing the risk of medication errors. In addition to improving patient care, IoT technology is also helping healthcare providers reduce costs. For example, IoT sensors can be used to monitor hospital equipment and detect when maintenance is needed, preventing breakdowns and reducing the need for costly repairs. Remote patient monitoring can also reduce the need for hospital readmissions, which can be expensive for both patients and healthcare providers. Overall, IoT technology is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, making it more efficient, effective, and patient-centered. By leveraging the power of IoT-enabled devices and sensors, healthcare providers can improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. As IoT technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses in healthcare and other industries. Section 2, IoT technology in manufacturing. Secondly, IoT technology is also transforming the manufacturing industry. Smart factories equipped with IoT sensors and devices can improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and increase safety. Real-time monitoring of machines can help identify potential problems before they occur, allowing for predictive maintenance and reduced costs. IoT technology is enabling manufacturers to automate and optimize their production processes. For example, IoT-enabled robots can work alongside human workers, increasing productivity and reducing the risk of workplace injuries. IoT sensors can also monitor equipment performance and detect any deviations from normal operations, enabling operators to take action before a breakdown occurs. In addition to improving efficiency, IoT technology is also helping manufacturers reduce waste and improve sustainability. For example, IoT sensors can monitor energy consumption and identify opportunities for energy savings. Similarly, IoT sensors can be used to track the movement of raw materials and finished products throughout the supply chain, allowing manufacturers to optimize transportation routes and reduce emissions. IoT technology is also enabling manufacturers to create more personalized products. For example, IoT-enabled devices can collect data on customer preferences and usage patterns, enabling manufacturers to tailor their products to individual customers' needs. This can help manufacturers differentiate themselves from competitors and improve customer loyalty. Another way IoT technology is transforming manufacturing is through the use of predictive analytics. By analyzing data collected from IoT sensors, manufacturers can predict when a machine is likely to fail and take action to prevent it. This not only reduces downtime but also improves the safety of workers by preventing unexpected breakdowns. Overall, IoT technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and customer-focused. By leveraging the power of IoT-enabled devices and sensors, manufacturers can reduce costs, improve quality, and increase productivity. As IoT technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses in manufacturing and other industries. Section 3: The future of IoT technology. Finally, let's talk about the future of IoT technology. As the world becomes more connected, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of IoT technology. For example, smart cities equipped with IoT sensors can help reduce traffic congestion, improve air quality, and even prevent crimes. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see what the future holds for IoT technology. One of the key trends in the future of IoT technology is the increasing use of artificial intelligence, AI. AI-powered IoT devices can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling more accurate predictions and insights. For example, AI-powered IoT sensors can detect patterns in data and make recommendations for optimizing operations, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. Another key trend is the growing importance of data privacy and security. As more devices become connected to the internet, the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches increases. To address these concerns, IoT device manufacturers are investing in more robust security measures and developing new technologies to protect user data. The use of blockchain technology is also becoming increasingly important in the future of IoT. Blockchain can be used to create secure, decentralized networks of IoT devices, enabling secure data sharing and communication between devices. This can help reduce the risk of cyber attacks and increase trust between users and IoT devices. As IoT technology becomes more advanced, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases. For example, IoT-enabled devices can be used to create more sustainable cities, reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions. Similarly, IoT sensors can be used to monitor and manage natural resources, such as water and air quality, to ensure they are used responsibly and sustainably. In addition, IoT technology is also being used to improve education and healthcare in developing countries. For example, IoT-enabled devices can be used to provide access to educational resources and healthcare services in remote areas, improving the quality of life for people who may not have access to traditional healthcare or educational resources. The future of IoT technology is exciting, and we can expect to see even more innovative uses in various industries. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even greater connectivity, efficiency, and sustainability across the world. One of the challenges facing the future of IoT technology is the need for standardization. As more devices become connected to the internet, there is a risk of fragmentation, where different devices use different communication protocols and standards. To ensure interoperability and compatibility between devices, industry leaders are working to develop common standards and protocols for IoT devices. Another challenge facing the future of IoT technology is the need for more robust power solutions. Many IoT devices rely on batteries or other power sources, which can limit their lifespan and functionality. To address this challenge, researchers are exploring new technologies, such as energy harvesting and wireless power transmission, to create more sustainable and reliable power solutions for IoT devices. Conclusion. In conclusion, IoT technology is changing the world around us in ways we could have never imagined. From healthcare to manufacturing and beyond, IoT technology is revolutionizing various industries and making our lives easier and more efficient. We hope you enjoyed this video on the latest developments in IoT technology, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching.